guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dolly BL Vlog. Punta tayo sa Magsaysay College, General Santos City. May asikasuin si Mami D na documents para ipapadala sa Westford, Ireland. Documents ng aking kapatid. Kailanganin niya para sa kanyang work, sa kanyang upcoming work. Ayan, live and alive si Ate Dolly. I'm here at the Plaza General Santos going to Ramon Magsaysay Memorial College. Ayan. Ako ng Magsaysay. Ayan guys, dito ako sa school ng previous school ng aking kapatid para kunin yung kanyang mga pertinent records at para i-mail ko papuntang Wexford, Ireland, kasi kailanganin niya for her application, kanyang marriage certificate, PRC ID, and certificate of employment before nang nag-work siya dito sa Jensen. Ayan. Nandito ako ngayon sa registrar ng Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges. Ayan. Office of the Registrar po. Ito yung ipapasild ko sa school. Documents na dadalhin sa Ireland. The PRC ID of my sister. And the marriage certificate. And the certificate of employment. Photocopy of certificate of marriage. And together with this photocopy of PRC. Sealed ng school para isi-send ni Dolly BL Vlog sa DHL going to Ireland.
Nakapili ito ya? Nakapili.
Yung parang kanyang transcript of record, mga grades niya before. And ayan, sealed ng school and the signature of the school registrar. Ayan. Isi-sealed na to sa envelope para matatanggap na ng aking kapatid the soonest. Ayan, ito yung pinaka-important document. Ayan.
all my credentials from my school and my PRC ID and my marriage certificate authenticated. I'm waiting it for so long, so I'm excited to open this document. My sister sent it a week ago, and it's so fast, and it's here. It's just 7 days, and it's shout out to DHL. They are so good, and they deliver it in our door. I'm so happy for that. So I'm so happy to open this. And then, Bernadine, thank you so much. Salamat kay Din sa certificate of marriage. And for my my certificate of employment and for my credential in school, daghan kayong salamat Ate Dali sa pag-process, and thank you so much for your support, for your concern in everything, for your love to me. Thank you so much. Daghan kayong salamat. I'm so happy.
What's up, guys? To all my followers of Dolly BL Vlog, always like my video and don't forget to hit the bell button so that every time na may live stream and my panibagong video si Dolly BL Vlog ay manonotify kayo at lagi kayong updated sa aking video. Ayan. Thank you and mabuhay tayong lahat.